Welcome to the ABZ Innovation video guide. In this part, we will demonstrate the installation, inspection, and preparation of various drone payloads. Step by step, we will review the correct setup of the spraying, spreader, and Trichogramma dispensing payloads, as well as the related configuration and testing procedures. Options. Within the ABZ Innovation portfolio, we distinguish between three distinct payload options tailored to our drone platforms. The sprayer for precision liquid applications, compatible with the L series, the spreader for solid material distribution, designed for the S series, and a specialized dispenser system, engineered specifically for the application of Trichogramma capsules, compatible with the L10 drone. Payload inspection. Before beginning payload testing, it is mandatory to inspect the physical condition of the payloads. Verify that all structural components are intact, the CDA discs rotate freely without residue, and the tubing is clear of obstructions. Regular post-flight maintenance generally prevents issues, but during transport, for example in the case of the spreader, the throwing disc can be easily damaged, so special attention must be paid. Spraying payload installation. Before installing payloads on ABZ Innovation L series drones, ensure the drone is powered off and the battery is removed. Next, insert the spraying tank, which contains the flow meter and pump. Connect the hoses. Reinstall the battery, power on the drone, and wait for it to connect to the software. In the payload menu, select the spraying mode and first conduct an operational test with only the tank filled with water. For the L30AS, L50 spraying drones, the tank is empty level sensor continuously monitors the liquid level in the tank and indicates when the tank is empty. Spreader payload installation. The solid material dispensing unit is installed in a similar manner. First, power off the drone. Install the spreader payload and motor. And connect the electronic connector. Then power on the drone and select the spreader mode in the payload menu, which will emit an audible signal upon activation. Using the testing function, set the required motor speeds and verify that the valve opens and the throwing disc starts rotating. No tank filling is required in this case, as the operation can be visually confirmed. Calibration. Before starting any application operation, it is essential to perform an accurate calibration depending on the characteristics of the material to be applied. For the spreader payload, the goal is to determine how much granulate, fertilizer, or seed is dispensed per second at a given gate opening and rotor speed. In the case of the spraying payload, calibration establishes how many liters of liquid the system delivers per minute. This defines the flow rate. The Trichogramma payload requires count-based calibration, as the capsules are dispensed as larger, individual units. Once calibration is completed, the software regulates the application according to predefined parameters, ensuring precise and material-efficient operation of the drone. Trichogramma payload installation. The Trichogramma dispensing unit is also installed with the drone powered off. Insert the payload and connect the electronic connector. Power on the drone, then select the Trichogramma mode in the payload menu. It is recommended to set, for example, a 2-second timer, and use the test button to check the operation of the mechanical dispenser. No material is required for testing, as correct operation can be observed with an empty tank. These were the key steps for the installation, inspection, and testing of the different payloads, including the spraying, spreader, and Trichogramma payloads. Please remember that while these videos provide a brief summary, the primary guidance is always found in the operator's manual. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the like button. See you in the next video.